Tian Zhang. I'm a GU medical oncologist and associate professor at UT Southwestern Medical Center, the Harold C. Simmons Comprehensive Cancer Center in Dallas, Texas. I was very privileged to receive a Young Investigator Award from the Kidney Cancer Association in 2019. At the time, and I think we still are, in a search for biomarkers for patients with kidney cancer to really think about who benefits from our immunotherapy doublets, whether that's IO-IO or IO-TKI combinations. So we developed a project idea that would characterize the tumor microenvironments in a number of tumor specimens that we had collected at Duke, and sent that off for processing through one of our collaborators to look at T-cell infiltration, macrophages, and other immune cell types in the tumor microenvironment, and try to correlate those with clinical outcomes for those patients. What's been really exciting is that we can see in these retrospective case series some of the transcriptome gene signatures that are panning out, and we're currently in the midst of some of the first genomically selected, transcriptomically selected patient populations for some of these trials. And so we can come a long ways from learning about biomarkers retrospectively and then apply them prospectively. Sure, the Young Investigator Award is a seed and pilot grant, I would say, for early career investigators, early career faculty who are interested in kidney cancer research. And I do think it's a pivotal moment at an early career where funding is not always easy to apply for. So any small increments of resources for someone who's passionate about kidney cancer research can subsequently turn into publications, larger grants, a track record of doing that type of work. And so I do think these pilot awards are so critical to early career development and academic faculty who can grow both their careers as well as their academic productivity, even based on small increments of Young Investigator Awards, Trailblazer Awards, and funding from an organization like Kidney Cancer Association. I think it's really important for early career investigators not to give up. I personally have applied for innumerable grants at this point, and few and far between, unfortunately, are actually funded. And so persistence pays off, and multiple hits our target. You never know which idea will actually strike and sort of pave the way forward for the next opportunity. So it's really important to continue. If you're passionate about the work and kidney cancer research, then it's really important to come back to these funding opportunities. And KCA has really great funding opportunities for early career investigators. I think Kidney Cancer Association is just one of many advocacy groups across cancer types, and I think that early career investigators can look at their disease type of interest and find that patient advocacy group that's really close-knit and that is very passionate about that particular disease group. And for kidney cancer in particular, Kidney Cancer Association, but also KC Cure, and also the DoD grants are really great in-depth funding opportunities for investigators who are interested in kidney cancer research. The type of data that we generate ultimately go to inform how we talk about the disease landscape, the patient's own disease characteristics, how they might respond to our treatment modalities. And I think all of those are critically important. If we didn't have the research and the trials and the data, then we also wouldn't be able to talk with our patients about what's clinically meaningful and the questions they want answered. Sure. Kidney Cancer Association is a critical organization in the kidney cancer field. It brings together this great community of patients, of researchers, of clinicians, multimodality treatments, and really, I think it's really important that those grant opportunities that fund those small research projects are well recognized. So I thank you for promoting this series of grants, and it is so important for our early career investigators in those academic settings to have access to these pilot grants.